lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Colette Diary. If this is the first time you're seeing my video, please do not to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified on when I post my new videos. And for my existing subscribers, thank you guys so much. I love you all. So this is just like how I spent my Easter or spend my Easter in May. This is basically what I'm doing like throughout today. Though I didn't record when I woke up and went to brush my mouth, take my bath and stuff like that. I didn't record all of that. Hope you guys don't mind, but I did all of that before coming to my table here today. So let's move right into this video, guys. Hey lovely. So today I'll be trying the 2468 makeup routine by this guy. I can't really pronounce his name well. I think it's Aditya. But I love his makeup and he tries to simplify makeup in every way possible so anybody and everybody can be able to get their makeup done and you're going to look flawless. Today I'm going to try his 2468 makeup routine. So it's actually very simple. So it's like two pumps of foundation, four placements of your concealer, six placements of blush, like three here, and then eight placements of the contour, then bronzer and setting spray. I hope I got it like very correctly. So first of all, you need to moisturize your face, which I have already done. So the first thing he did was to fill in your eyebrows, which I'm going to fill in now. I feel like my eyebrow does not need like so much filling. This is Beauty Line by Didi. Beauty Line by Didi. Yeah. So the next thing on the list is the foundation. So he said two pumps of your foundation. And I make use of Revlon Color Stay 24-hour long wear makeup foundation. This I don't know what it's called. I got from Mary Kay. I forgot what it's called. So two pumps, he said. So two pumps of my foundation. Let's go. One and two. This two. He said from here outward. He always talks about making sure you apply your bronzer on your ears. So I also like to apply my foundation on my ear as well. He said so when you sit down, people don't look at like your back and your ear and they're like, oh, it's so dark. Guess what? I forgot to apply my primer. So we're going to start this all from the beginning because I have like a very oily face. Oh my god, I'm picking this off. It's so sad. Okay, so since the face is now primed, let's start it. So I'm making use of Revlon Color Stay makeup in the shade 070, I guess. So he said four placements of your concealer and he didn't do it too close to his eyes. Then he put it here, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, I think that's too much. And here, here, then blend together. Blend it in. Oh god, this looks This is what my eyes look like. You see, I normally have Christopher. Oh, yeah, it looks good. I'm so happy. Then we have the placement of the blush. I'm going to be trying out a real blush. Usually, I make use of my lipstick. Those of you that know me know that this is what I've been using like for a very long time. This red lipstick. I've had this for like I don't know how long since I was in uni. So I decided finally to go get blush, and I'm going to try it today. This blush, guys. I got it from Shoppers Drug Mart in the beauty section. I think which brand actually owns like has this blush. I think it's Revlon. I'm not sure. So he said six placements of the blush, three here and three here. Oh my god, it's in color. I'm so excited. Try this, I swear. So let's see. One, two, three. Oh my god. The pink is pinking. Then one, two, three. Oh my god. I'm scared. I'm really scared. I don't know. But okay. Said to start from the apples of the cheek, blend it up. You know, so let go. Oh my. The red is ready. Can you guys see? Hey, God. Can you guys see this? Oh. I don't think you can see. Just take a look at this gloves. Guys. Oh, God. So let's blend out the side as well. Not really that red, but I'm already used to having red. This is like my first time using pink, and I really like it. Oh my god, this is fire, man! Can you see how red my face is? Oh, can you guys see this thing? Can you guys see the material? Ah, ah. Thank you, Shoppers Beauty. I feel like this shades fits my skin very well. Get yourself a blush if you don't have one. Oh, we are moving on to the contour section. So now he said 8 dots of the bronzer. I'm using this elf contour. So he said we should place 8 dots of this, and he placed them I think here. One, two, one, two, that's four. One, two, one, two, that's eight. One, two, and one, two. One, two, one, two. Let it go upward. So, so blend going upward. Can you see? Like my skin is already looking like really good, and the products are not much on my face, which I like. The minimal makeup person. So basically, in a nutshell, this is the 246 routine. I think this is as easy as anything in this world. This is like really easy. You know, you guys can see my face. It's not too much. It's not too small. It's just there. And you see that the contour actually came out well with this one. Like, can you see? Came out really well compared to what I usually do. Different. This makeup routine, I didn't put concealer here, like on my nose, and like here and here. It's just a very simple thing. After all this, he said to go ahead with your setting powder. So if you have under eye wrinkles like me, like if you have the lines, you don't make use of the that brush. You know the one I'm talking about, placement brush. You make use of like the normal brush. You guys can see under my eyes, there are lines there. That's basically it. See? There's literally nothing in under my eyes, at the under of my eyes, sorry. It looks cool. And I've wasted a lot of powder. This is here. After your face is done, you start to go in with your setting spray and allow it to melt. For my setting spray, you guys know, it's cosmetics hydrating setting spray. I like the way it smells really nice. This is not part of his makeup routine, but while I'm waiting for this to dry, I would like to line my eyebrows because it makes them, go higher, if you get what I mean. Good. Mm. So, just like this, very intentional taps. So, my eyebrow was gotten the shape I wanted. So, I got this bronzer as a gift from Sephora when I shopped. It's the Hoola bronzer. Then apply it to the top of your head. Then your blush, powdered blush. Kitchen again with your setting spray. You have it, guys. Full face of makeup using his makeup routine 2468. And I can say this eats. Like my skin looks really flawless. I feel like it doesn't give this vibe of I applied so much makeup, but you still look good, but the makeup is not too much. I think this is for minimal makeup on their face for someone like me. And this works really well for me. I was like, so this is what I'm wearing. George. Okay. It looks very fluffy, but I like it that way. So for my jewelry, I'm gonna get this wristwatch. I got it from Shein. Still have to get this at the back. Yeah. Don't really have much accessories like that. I don't think I need an earring because ear is covered. Bag. Shoe. I'm going with this. Flags. I go to heel. Not too high since I'm already like 6 feet. Automatically for this from Amazon as well. This Versace from Amazon as well. Just you know, this. So I'm going to from this hand. Just go back from church, and this is me just saying Happy Easter to you all. Jesus Christ is risen from the dead, and so everything now is sweet. I hope you all went to church. I couldn't record it in church because I arrived late and I sat at the back, so I didn't want to bring out my camera. I was going to look really awkward. So that's just it. Happy Easter to you all. I hope you enjoy your Easter and I hope you have a lovely day ahead. See, this is how I left my room before I went out. Very scattered. Like, see, my room is in a big mess. So I have to clear this, clean this up, pack everything and bring my room to a good shape. Done eating and I need to clean my room because my room is like a big mess right now. My table is in a mess. I need to arrange it to my bed as well. So let's begin. My microphone broke while I was preparing for church because I was rushing anyways. So I'll have to glue it back. guys, I've done arranging my room and I've taken down the lighting, so my video is not like as bright as before. So I just want to take down my makeup. I'm making use of this wipes I got from the dollar store. I think I got it for like $2. I don't really remember. The only place I've gone to is church. I've just been inside my house like since I came back from church, and I don't really feel like going out. I don't know if that's normal. I just want to stay inside the house. I don't know if it's normal because I feel like everybody's outside right now. That's what I think. Oh my god. My face feels so hot. I'm actually learning some Spanish words, but they're like the insults. Because these Spanish movies that I'm watching, really insult them. It's just really funny. And I really like read talk. And you see, it's still dirty. That's to tell you the amount of makeup on my face. Some is still gone. I feel like when I take my bait later on today, it's going to everything will come off. Okay, this is my real face.